Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Messenger group chat. So if you have a group chat that you want to delete and you don't know how to do it, this is the video for you. You have to be an admin in the Messenger group chat though. So if you aren't an admin, then this won't work for you. But if you are, then just watch this video. So first things first, go to the Messenger app. And once you're on there, go to the group chat that you want to delete. Now here at the top, you'll want to click on the name of the group chat. So you'll want to click on the name on the group chat at the top. It should have the profile pictures of all the members in it. So once you click on it, it'll bring you to the group chat settings. At the bottom of the group chat settings, there's an option to leave chat if you aren't an admin. So you can just leave it and that'll be like deleting it. But if you want to delete it, then what you're going to want to do, you have to click on see group members, which is in the chat info. And once you click on that, it'll show all the members in the chat. And to remove somebody, you just click on their name. At the bottom, it should say remove from group. You want to remove everybody from your group. So it might take a little bit of time, but once you remove everybody, you'll be able to leave the group and that will completely delete the group. So if you want to leave the group, then leave it. And once you leave it, that will completely delete the group because nobody else can become an admin. So it will just be completely deleted. So as you can see, it's completely disappeared. So that's how you delete a Messenger group chat. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I will see you guys next time.